Their job takes them to some of the Earth's most extreme environments, where they face a constant battle against the elements and the very real risks of the chosen profession. As you climb higher, the air becomes thinner and there is less oxygen available. This can lead to altitude sickness, which can be fatal if not treated quickly. Samarkand bread. Its golden crust and fluffy interior hold a story of ancient skills and meticulous craftsmanship. And when prepared by a skillful worker in Samarkand itself, it becomes a true spectacle to behold. India and China are the top banana producers, churning out nearly half the world's supply. Synthetic hair. Made from fibers like nylon or polyester, it's generally affordable and comes in a wide range of colors and styles. Potato harvesting is a vital yet labor-intensive process that brings these delicious tubers from field to fork. Clothes production in a factory is a fascinating and complex process, transforming raw materials into the garments we wear every day. Sunflower seed extraction. This is where the golden bounty from the fields gets transformed into the delicious and nutritious seeds we know and love. Chocolate. Just the word conjures up images of rich, melt-in-your-mouth goodness. But have you ever wondered what goes on behind the scenes to transform humble cocoa beans into those delectable treats? Harvested oranges are sorted by size, color, and quality. Imperfect fruits are culled, while the rest are graded based on market standards. Clothes cutting machines are fascinating marvels of precision and efficiency, transforming flat fabric into the intricate patterns that make up our garments. Glass blowing. It's an ancient art form that transforms molten sand into breathtaking shapes, and crafting a glass bottle is a mesmerizing process. Making your own incense sticks is a fun and rewarding project, allowing you to customize scents and avoid harsh chemicals often found in store-bought varieties. If you want to grow healthy and fresh fruits, vegetables and some medicinal herbs in your small garden, then check out the link in description below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more awesome content.